Hello everyone, this is Maria Jingle and thank you again for watching my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a steamed fish with blackened sweet and spicy sauce. First, we have to steam our fish for 20 minutes. What I have right now is a 4 pieces medium size Golden Pampano. But whatever fish you prefer to steam, that should be okay too. After 20 minutes, I have my fish finished steaming. Now I'm gonna take it out and set it aside. This is the following ingredients for the blackened sweet and spicy sauce. Now I am going to make the blackened sauce. Make sure that your spices, all of your spices like the ginger, the onions, garlic, the scallions, and the chili are cut into dices and small. In this dish, I usually do the ginger first. About a minute or two. If you can see them translucent, it should be good. There's about 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay. Then I'm adding the garlic. Basically sauteing all the spices. This is the main sauce for the steamed fish. I did not put any salt or anything when I steamed the fish. Nothing, it's just regular plain fish. I steam it for 20 minutes. Okay. Then I'm going to put the Serrano chilies. If you don't want any spice, Serrano chilies or any chili flakes, you can opt out. The chilies like the Serrano and the chili flakes can be optional. If you don't want this sauce be spicy, that's okay. It should be okay without it if you don't want it spicy. green onions, which is the scallions. I'm going to put the fermented salted black beans. If you are using the one in the can, make sure you drain the liquid. If you are using the one in the plastic, you can use 4 to 5 tablespoons. Then add the brown sugar and let it dissolve. Then follow through with the black pepper and salt and mix them well. Then you can add the 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then I added the half teaspoon of chili flakes. Again, this is optional. You can always opt this out. Lastly, you can put half cup of water or fish stock or a chicken stock, whatever you prefer. The sauce should not be watery. Now we can start adding the steamed fish. Be gentle adding the fish to the blackened sauce and make sure you have coated them well. From medium-high heat, I am going to change the fire to low and then cover it for 5 minutes. Our steamed fish with blackened sweet and spicy sauce is cooked and finished. This is actually the same dish from Chinese restaurants or any Asian restaurants that offer to sell them. However, this is a home style and my version with we're using less oil and lesser sugar. I hope you guys will try this dish. It's a very good dish and you will not be disappointed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you have not subscribed in my channel, please subscribe so you will be notified on my new upcoming videos. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay!